Hi, this is Kerry R. Tech with Wicked Stocks bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. We got the buy signal clearly on Monday, closing above the 177.16 descending channel top. This sets up, well, with present volatility, we could see it this week, the 192.28, 1 3/8 swing just over the last month of activity, just a session containment level. In fact, on the way up, we have the 184.62 channel top. We could top out here for the day, potentially, and ease back to 177.16. But 177.16 is a solid level to buy into, not only for the rest of the week, but really through October trade and into later year. Holding above 177.16, this descending daily channel top will maintain 219.64 as our next 2 to 3 month target. And, working our way up today, I think 184.62 is a solid pivot point for the day, below which can you sell short? You can, as an aggressive, experienced day trader. You want to maintain, obviously, a tight risk management. Because if we push through 184.62, and that would represent a new all-time high. We may have actually, I don't remember exactly what this high was, but if we push through 184.62, I'm quite sure we're at a new all-time high. Anyway, 192.28 wouldn't surprise me, especially if we open above 184.62. Then it becomes day support, very buyable day support, with 192.28 in reach intraday. On the way up, we do have this former channel bottom that is at 189.36. This actually kind of shows the day trade setup, pushing, especially opening above 184.62, signals pretty quickly early in the day, 189.36. This is a former 5-6 month channel bottom that can contain intraday buying pressures, but given the significance of the settlement above 177.16, just know that these levels can be torn through pretty easily in the coming days, and even intraday above 189.36, 192.28 in reach. That could be it for the day, 192.28, and if we close above it, it is just kind of progressively higher highs. We will have new levels mapped out for you, obviously, as we continue into later week and next, ultimately anticipating the 219.64 level over the next 2 to 3 months. And that is true above 177.16. Once again, opening below 184.16, we can ease back, possibly back to 177.16 intraday, where we could bottom out not only for the day traders, not only through the rest of the week, 3 to 5 day swing traders up to 192.28, but also through the rest of the year, near-term position holders, near-term investors anticipating 219.64.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
Now, if we do fall away and close today below 177.16, which would be a surprise, but anything is possible, and if so, 170.85 is then likely tomorrow. So I do want to mention, and you can't only put so much of this on a single page before it looks like a royal mess, but if we do close below 177.16, I think the real risk, based on that failure to follow through on the classic buy signal, closing above a descending channel top at the top of a move, is the setup for longer-term bullish continuation. And if we close below 177.16 today, I do think the 164.10 level is in reach. It's just that on the way down, 170.85, depending on the timing of this, could contain selling for the rest of the week. We will probably reduce this to a session containment level. I think for right now, it could, this is Tuesday now. If we close below 177.16, we're talking Wednesday tomorrow. Yes, a 2 to 3 day low at 170.85 is certainly quite possible. But yes, closing below 177.16, I think you can play the short side of the market into the mid 160s, 164.10. At this stage, the only way in which I'm really going to anticipate a return to 148.83, that 1-year channel top that we've talked a lot about over the last few months, is if we were to close below 164.10. But I do think 164.10 is a 1 to 2 week target with a settlement below a 177.16. So it looks a little confusing here if we look to the far right, but we do still have this 4-star multi-week support level 177.16 that implies longer-term bullish continuation into the 219 handle by the end of the year. And if we close below 177.16, I think we've got a good September high, which isn't saying much. And within 1 to 2 weeks, 164.10 likely on the way down, 170.85 able to contain session weakness, possibly weekly selling pressures. I hope that makes sense. But the takeaway today, we are bullish above 177.16, expecting 219.64 over the next 2 to 3 months. And on the way up, many of you are day traders, 3 to 5 day swing traders. 184.62 and 192.28 are our kind of intra-week pivot points. Below 184.62, 177.16 in reach over the next day or two. Above 184.62, 192.28 is expected over the next day or two. It's about as simple as I can put it. And I'm going to leave it at that for Tuesday's daily NVIDIA report. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Wednesdays, and you have a great day.